Good morning, everyone. Kerry Bird here, Sales State Carolinas Director of Marketing Technologies. We're going to talk about something that's very important in managing your Facebook page, and that is knowing who and where the page admin controls are. So first off, when you create a page, a brand new Facebook business page, by definition, you are the admin, and this will mostly apply to team settings where you may have multiple people that need to manage and post on the Facebook page. So let's say your page is created, you'll go up to settings. Once you're in settings, you will see a category called page roles. And when you click on that, you will see who the current existing page role individuals are. In this case, for Sales State Carolinas, Sanford and myself are admins. And let's say, for example, we wanted to add somebody else, and all you would need to do, if they've already liked the page, typically Facebook, when you go to type this in, they will have already liked it. Let's say I wanted to make Jim an admin on the page. He does already like the Carolinas page, so it found him pretty easy. Otherwise, you will need to enter the email address that person logs into Facebook with. You do not need their password during any part of this process, but you will need their email address if Facebook does not automatically find them as they did Jim. Now, this is also important. So there are 6 different levels that you can make someone an admin of. So admin is the absolute top level. You only want to make other people who have a legal financial interest in the company admins. And the reason why admins have the ability to basically delete the page as well as add, subtract, or change other admins. For the most part, if you were in a team situation where maybe you had an intern or a front desk person or somebody that was just new and you didn't want to give them the full level, this editor status is probably the next best thing, and that will let them do everything they need to do, such as posting on the page and run ads with no problem. And I won't take any time up to go down through the other ones, but for the most part, anyone other than the business owner would be an editor. If you have somebody that needs top level rights, that would go ahead and be admin, and then you would just add them. Now, I'm not going to click add. I don't want to confuse Jim, because what will happen as soon as I click add, he will get an email up here in his notification settings. That is where it will basically invite him to accept my invitation to be the admin. And once he does that, he will be added down here as an editor, and he can go ahead and edit the page. So go ahead and make note of that. And that is it, guys. That is your page roles in Facebook.